What if I told you that a single conversation could change your entire life? Imagine going from struggling to make ends meet to earning over $2.2 million in a single year, all because of a promise. Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets that transform my life and how they can do the same for you. In December 1993, I migrated to the USA with $2,000 to my name, a wife, and a 3-year-old son. My first job paid me $50 a day, which came out to $250 a week, and sometimes I wouldn't get paid at all. I struggled throughout 1994, changing 6 low-paying jobs that year alone. It was tough, and I often wondered if I had made the right decision in coming to America. In 1995, I finally found some stability. I started a job in a mailroom that paid me $18,000 a year. It wasn't much, but it was something I could build on. I worked in that mailroom from 1995 to 1997. In early 1998, I had a conversation with my father that would change everything. My dad asked me 2 simple but profound questions during this conversation. Why did you migrate to the USA? And what do you hope to achieve by being there? I wasn't prepared for those questions, and I responded almost defensively, I will not return home until I've made $1 million, I said. My dad's response was equally straightforward. If that's the goal, then don't return until you've met the goal. It was the best conversation we ever had, but it was also the last. A few weeks later, my dad passed away unexpectedly. I was bound by the promise I had made. I didn't go home for his funeral because that would mean breaking the promise. At the time, my salary was $36,000 a year, and my promise was not to return to Jamaica until I had made $1 million in a single year. It seemed impossible. I didn't know how I would achieve it, but I knew I had to find a way. As I struggled with how to keep my promise, I stumbled upon a secret, a realization that changed everything. By the end of the year 2000, I was grossing $250,000, and by the end of 2005, my take-home pay was $2.2 million. I had fulfilled the promise I made to my father, and finally, I flew back home to Jamaica. Today, I'm here to share with you the secrets I discovered on that journey, secrets that can transform your life just as they did mine. Secret 1. The power of a purpose-driven goal. The first secret is understanding the power of a purpose-driven goal. When I made that promise to my father during our phone conversation, it wasn't just about money. It was about communicating to him that I had a clear and definite purpose in migrating to the USA. That promise became a powerful driving force in my life, giving me the resilience to overcome any obstacle. It's the difference between merely setting a goal and being bound to a goal. When your goal is tied to something deeply personal and meaningful, you'll find the strength to keep going, no matter what challenges you face. Secret 2. Recognizing hidden resources. The second secret is about recognizing hidden resources, learning to identify and leverage the untapped opportunities and resources that are already available to you. Success often lies in plain sight, disguised as everyday tools and moments. This secret propelled me from earning $36,000 a year to $250,000 by the end of 2000. The best part? These opportunities are all around us, waiting to be discovered. You just need to know how to spot them. Secret 3. The spiritual mindset. The third and most crucial secret is developing a spiritual mindset. This isn't just about positive thinking. It's about reprogramming your mind to see the world differently. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with a higher purpose and the kind of success that resonates with your true self. When you adopt this mindset, you start making decisions that bring you closer to your goals, and success becomes a natural outcome. Now, over the years, I've distilled these secrets down to a simple and practical formula that anyone can apply to achieve the results they desire. This isn't just about my journey. This is about you and how you can take control of your future. Imagine being able to eliminate the uncertainty that comes with not knowing your next step, or the fear that holds you back from reaching your full potential. Picture a life where you have the clarity, confidence, and tools to turn your dreams into reality. That's exactly what this formula is designed to do. It's a roadmap, a proven path that you can follow to achieve the success you've always wanted. If you're ready to take the next transformative step in your life, I want to personally invite you to a live webinar where I'll be diving deeper into these secrets and showing you exactly how to apply them in your own life. This is your opportunity to learn the full blueprint that has transformed my life and the lives of many others, and that will transform your life too. Don't miss this chance to unlock your full potential. Don't miss this opportunity to achieve the dreams you have held dear for all these years, but did not know how to proceed to make them real. Transform your life from what it is now to what you've always dreamed it should be. Fulfill the promises you've made to yourself and your loved ones. Click the link below to reserve your spot for the live webinar. Space is limited, so make sure to register now.